Akash, die only once. Die only once. Akash.
How many of you have heard the term YOLO? Y-O-L-O, YOLO. What is that? Yes, you only live once. YOLO is not agreed by all, as many people believe in reincarnation, the theory of rebirth. But all of you will agree on YODO. That is, in one life, you only die once. Ladies and gentlemen, in one life, you should die only once. Contest chair, judges, fellow Toastmasters, and dear guests, good morning.
Good morning.
Between birth and death, there is one important milestone called 10th standard. In a 10th class, there was a boy whose hobby was writing articles and poems. In that, he had won many competitions as well. In 10th class, he got excellent marks. When admissions for junior college were going on, he told me, I wanted to go for art stream. But the concern my parents and I were having was, what will people say if after getting excellent marks in 10th, I choose arts? So I have decided to go for science stream. I said, what? What? I said what, but not with question mark, but with exclamation mark. What? We will be in the same stream then. Now he is an IT professional. Neither he nor I knew back then what is it like. Having a dream of excelling with power of words and ending up in working on Excel, PowerPoint and Word. Between birth and death, there is one more important milestone called marriage. Some may call it coma. How many of you are 26 or more than 26 years old? I know some girls are not raising their hands. Those who have raised their hands, how many of you are unmarried? Many of you. But at the place I belong, everyone gets married before 25. And I was the one who was unmarried till 26. My parents forced me, rather emotionally blackmailed me to get married. Because they were worried, what will people say? I tried to convince them that it is recommended that when your income is not even taxable, you should not get married. I got married, and suddenly many things changed. My priority changed, my career plan failed, financial problems arose. And the question here was, now will those so-called people come to help me? Also, can those so-called people compensate for the heartbreak my friend had? There is a famous saying, what will people say? This sentence has killed more dreams than anything else in the world. Moreover, this sentence kills one many times in one life. Not being able to act as per own wish is also a kind of death. Those who live life as per own wish die once happily. And those who change their plans or change their decisions for the sake of those so-called people experience many deaths in one life. Ladies and gentlemen, if you see our social periphery, ourself is at the center. Then comes our family and close friends. And then comes people of society. But when it comes to decision making, our decisions are affected by reverse order of our social periphery. What will people say affects our decisions the most? No one knows what those people say exactly. No one knows, do they even say anything or not? But still, they affect our decisions the most. Then comes the second level, family and close friends. Their opinions are often influenced by the third level. That is what will people say. And also by the generation or background they belong to. And in all this, ourselves is completely ignored. And we change our plans or change our decisions. I had been seeing people doing this, and I had been doing the same. It was time for me to tell myself, enough is enough. I thought over it. And I convinced myself that my life is not an Indian constitution. My life is not an Indian constitution of the people, by the people, for the people. I decided two things. One, I will not change my plans and decisions just because what will people say. And second, I will not force my loved ones to do something or not to do something just because what will people say. Instead, I will be the shield between them and those so-called people. Few days back, my wife said, I want to complete my graduation. But our both families were like, what? 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 Our both families had one concern. Any guesses? No, that was the second one. The first one was, who will pay for it? After this concern got resolved easily, the legend concern came. What will people say? What will people say if she goes to college after marriage? But it was very clear in my mind that no more deaths, no more changes in decisions. Now she is completing her post-graduation. And I am proud of her. Ladies and gentlemen, the fear, what will people say, kills plans and decisions, kills dreams, and kills one many times in one life. Hence, come out of this fear. Decide no more deaths. In one life, we are born once. So let's die once. Die only once. Foundation.